Hello my dear students. Today in this module we are going to discuss about oxygen cycle and ozone layer and its depletion. As in our previous modules we have discussed about rest of the biogeochemical cycles, three more biogeochemical cycle, that is nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle and water cycles. Now let's move towards oxygen cycle. As we know that oxygen cycle is also very important for us. Oxygen plays an important role for our survival. Am I right? Because this is the gas that we inhale, which is being used for respiration by us, by plants, everyone, right? We don't get the energy while we take food. We get the energy when our food get respired. And through respiration, when the energy is released in the form of ATP, then our cells get the energy to do their cellular activities, metabolic activities. Plants give this oxygen to us. They release this oxygen by the process of photosynthesis, right? So now let's discuss where the oxygen is being used and from where it is being produced. Let's discuss and then again we'll come back to this page. So oxygen is constantly being used and created by different processes on planet Earth, and all these processes together make up the oxygen cycle. Oxygen cycle and carbon cycle are interconnected with one another. Can you tell why I said these words, that these two cycles are interconnected with one another? Yes, because we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide, and the reverse is with the plants. Am I right? They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen gas. Alright? So these two cycles are interconnected. Now, what are the processes that use oxygen? First, respiration, as I have already explained you about respiration, right? ग्लूकोज का ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में रेस्पिरेशन होता है, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड. ओके. सेकेंड कहाँ यूज़ होता है इसका ऑक्सीजन का? डीकम्पोजिशन में. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट डीकम्पोजिशन जब होता है किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक मैटर का, प्लांट्स का, एनिमल्स का, जब उनका ब्रेक डाउन होता है केमिकली, एंड उनकी बॉडी के अंदर जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, जो भी है, वो सारे सिंपल एलिमेंट्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट होते हैं जिनसे कि वो बने हुए होते हैं, राइट? और ये एलिमेंट्स वापस एनवायरनमेंट में मिक्स हो जाते हैं. सो डीकम्पोजिशन इज़ ऑल्सो अ स्मॉल पार्ट, माइनर पार्ट ऑफ कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन साइकिल, वी कैन से. Because when the plant, by the dead and decaying of plants and animals, or you can say the defecate of animals and the waste material, when it decomposes, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, water, calcium, etc., all these return to the environment again. Okay, so here we have discussed about respiration and decomposition. So in these two processes oxygen is being used. Okay, now what are the processes that produce oxygen? First is photosynthesis. As we all know that plants do the process, the plants prepare their food and do photosynthesis by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they prepare, yes, what they prepare? Glucose and oxygen. Alright, so here oxygen is being released and sugar and water vapors are also formed over there. Now sunlight, kuch a little bit amount of oxygen is produced when sunlight reacts with water vapor in the atmosphere. Okay, so these are the two processes by which oxygen is being produced. Now let's get back to that diagram so that I can explain you this process. It's a very small cycle, as you are able to see over here, right? See what's going on. Plants, what plants are doing? Plants are doing फोटोसिंथेसिस करके क्या हुआ, ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हुई. अब ये ऑक्सीजन कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ हुई? रेस्पिरेशन में यूज़ हुई, प्लांट्स के, एनिमल्स के, वाटर के अंदर डिजॉल्व हुई, एंड एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स ने ब्रीदिंग किया. ऑक्साइड्स के कंपाउंड्स भी बने. आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट नाइट्रोजन के ऑक्साइड, सल्फर के ऑक्साइड्स बनते हैं. सो कंपाउंड्स बने ऑक्साइड्स के. along with that, oxygen is also important for combustion, right? We know this thing that combustion always needs oxygen. Okay, look over here. Plants produce oxygen, animal take in oxygen, animal release carbon dioxide, and plant use carbon dioxide to prepare sugar molecules. So animal break down sugar molecule and release carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is a simple oxygen cycle. Let me explain you a little bit more for this oxygen cycle. Are you able to see in this cycle? Okay, this is the atmospheric nitrogen which is being used in respiration process. respiration से क्या निकला? यस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर वेपर. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिर फोटोसिंथेसिस में यूज़ हुई, वाटर वेपर भी फोटोसिंथेसिस में यूज़ हुए. फोटोसिंथेसिस से वापस क्या बना? ग्लूकोज, ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है, और फोटोसिंथेसिस से ऑक्सीजन जो निकला वो एटमॉस्फेयर में फ्री हो गया. So this is a simple oxygen cycle. I hope it must be clear to you. Alright, so let's move towards our next topic. That is ozone layer. Now what is ozone layer? Yes, it's a layer which protects us from UV radiations. ऑलराइट, एलिमेंटल ऑक्सीजन जो है वो नॉर्मली हमें डायएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल के फॉर्म में मिलती है. बट इन द अपर पार्ट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर a molecule containing 3 atoms of oxygen is found, and what it is being called? It is being called O3. Okay, and we call it ozone. Okay, so कहाँ प्रेजेंट होती है? ये स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट होती है, एंड हाई कंसनट्रेशन होती है स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में ओजोन की. स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर के लोअर पोर्शन के अंदर ये प्रेजेंट होती है. ओजोन पॉइजनस गैस एंड इट इज़ नॉट स्टेबल नियर टू द अर्थ सरफेस. इट एब्जॉर्ब द हार्मफुल रेडिएशन फ्रॉम द सन and don't allow them to reach up to the earth's surface, because if it will reach up to us, it may harm us. So it is protecting us from the UV radiation. Are you able to see in this picture? This shows the stratosphere, right? This is the stratosphere, and in the lower part of the stratosphere, this ozone layer with triatomic molecule is present. Alright, troposphere is the first layer, then stratosphere is the second one. In the lower part of stratosphere, it is present. Stratosphere spreads up to 10 to 50 kilometer. Okay, so around 10 to 15 kilometer ozone layer is present. It stops the ultraviolet rays, the UV radiation which are coming from sun, because that UV radiations are not good for us. These rays are harmful for us. Alright, so this is simply a layer in stratosphere with high concentration of ozone. All right, approximately you can say 12 to 19 mi तक होता है, almost 20 to 30 kilometers above earth. All right, the thickness vary करती है seasonally and geographically. All right, ozone poisonous है and stable नहीं है, as I have told you, near the earth's surface, but it performs an essential function where it is found. All right, because these prevents the harmful radiation um, which are which may damage many forms of life, which may cause the skin diseases for humans, etc. Now let's discuss the depletion. Nowadays this ozone layer has started depleting. ये पतली हो रही है, deplete हो रही है. And why? What's the reason? See in this diagram, everything will be clear to you. Right, this is the ozone layer. These are the absorbed rays, these are the reflected rays. Now due to CFC, what is CFC? Chlorofluorocarbon, ozone layer is depleting. Okay, सिंपली जो ओजोन का अमाउंट है स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में वो कम हो रहा है. एंड व्हाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग? बिकॉज ऑफ वन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज दैट मैन्युफैक्चर थिंग्स लाइक insulating foam, solvents, soap, cooling things like AC, refrigerators. Because earlier in refrigerators, what we were using chlorofluorocarbon. That is not that reacts with this ozone layer, right? Only one atom of chlorine can break 1 lakh molecules of ozone. Okay, so this breaking up action releases chlorine atom. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks up these chlorofluorocarbon which are coming out from ACs and refrigerator, and this breaking out action release chlorine atom, and as I have told you, chlorine atom then react with oxygen and start a chemical cycle that destroy a good ozone in that area. एक क्लोरीन का एटम अराउंड और यू कैन से मोर देन 1 लाख ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल्स को ब्रेक कर सकता है. ऑलराइट, so this is all about the ozone layer. Nowadays we have started using freon at the place of this chlorofluorocarbon just to protect this ozone layer. So I hope the whole chapter must be clear to you with all the 4 biogeochemical cycles. So here chapter is finished. Just listen to all the videos carefully and you will be able to get it. Okay, thank you so much.